Hi students, I wanted to show you how to do your, no wait. Hi students, I want to show you how to send me the Vocaroo voice message for speaking assessment practice. So click here under week 5, speaking assessment practice, and remember what our task was. What are the steps for finding a Metro personal interest course and registering? Use some of these words. Click, scroll down, search, select. Write down the 6 steps and then send me a voice message. Use Vocaroo or WhatsApp. So if we're going to use Vocaroo, I'm going to just scroll down on the side here and I'm going to view assignment. So when we view assignment, once everything is done, you need to mark as done. Okay, but down here, I've got the link to Metro Continuing Education and I have the Vocaroo. So I'm going to click on Vocaroo. And I like it when you use Vocaroo because it makes it easy for me. A little more difficult for you. So you're going to click here. You've already written down your voice message using the notes that you wrote while you were doing it. So you're going to click here to record. And Vocaroo wants to use your microphone, so you must click allow. Okay, so here we are recording already. Hi Julie, I want to tell you how to sign up for a personal interest course on Metro Continuing Education. So first you need to, okay, and then you tell me the steps, and then next, and then, so you're telling me 6 steps. And then finally, you click add to cart. I think that was the last step. See, I didn't write them down, so you must use your notebook to write them down or you'll forget. Okay, so now I pause it, and oh, I guess I can continue recording because I wasn't, by just pressing the triangle, and when I'm done, I stop, and I want to play it just to make sure it sounds good. So let me hear it. Let's see. So I like it or I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm going to restart. So I can press this red button and now I'm recording again. Okay, I stop. I listen to it. I like it. Now I save and share. I'm saving it. This here is the link. So these 2 overlapping squares, you need to click them, and that means copy. Okay? And down here at the bottom, it said it was copied to the dashboard. I don't know if you saw that. So now I have to go back to the classroom to hand this in. So I've got to go up to the top and I see I'm in the Vocaroo. Now I need to go to my speaking assessment practice. And here I am. I'm back in the classroom. I'm back at the assessment. I need to add the link. So I'm going to click add. I'm adding a link. I click link. So here I can add the link by right clicking and pasting. So right click and then paste, or you can press Control V. Okay, V for victory. Add the link. And once you've added the link, make sure you check it. So click on it and check, is this the right link? So we're just checking if it's the right link. Oh, here it is, okay. And it brought me back to Vocaroo. So up at the top here, I need to go back to the classroom and I need to click turn in. Always turn in your work. Okay, and it's asking, do you want to turn in your work? one attachment submitted, and I do. I click turn in. Okay, so that is it. That is how you submit your Vocaroo voice recording. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this and find something fun to learn.